Hey, you're welcome to my channel. This is Ghaneva Ed channel. Today's episode is about mini importation. So we are going to talk about how you can go into mini importation. Mini importation simply means that you are buying things outside your country in small quantities. So there's big companies who ship a lot of big things, about 20 containers to sell, but mini importation simply means that you are buying them in small quantities. It can be a package of two instead of two containers. So these are things that you need to know or you need to do before you can go into mini importation. The first one is having knowledge about mini importation. So you can either do this by watching a video or you can do this by taking a course. Now you need to have knowledge about importation. Know what goes in mini importation, know what you need to do and things that you don't need to do as well. So example is how to find legit suppliers, how to input your shipping companies, how to get verified and trusted shipping companies and paying agents. You need to also know how to calculate your items that you see on the 1688, and you need to also know how you can go about on the 1688 app as well. So 1688 app isn't the only app that you can buy things from outside your country. We have Pigeon, we have Taobao, but most of the ones that it's very simple and very cheap item, they have very cheap item as well, is 1688 app. So you need to know all of these things and a lot more that I couldn't say. If you don't want to go into the stress of searching videos here and there and you want everything packaged for you, I have a course on this channel about mini importation plus bonuses that you are going to get 50 plus verified suppliers contact. You're also going to get 3 months free mentorship from me as well, and you are also going to get Turkish suppliers with Turkish shipping companies. So do well to take these courses. This course is a theory and practical videos that I've made simply for you at a very low cost. I'll put this course in the description box or in the comment section so you get access to them very quickly. Now the next thing that you need to do so that you can go into mini importation is applying what you got. Most of people would learn the knowledge about mini importation and they never apply. Let me tell you, mini importation have a lot of benefit, and I've made a video about benefit in mini importation, so you can find this video on my channel. And there's a challenges as well that I've been able to specifically put them down into one video, so you can also watch them as well. Now when you get this knowledge, please do what, practice this, apply this knowledge to get something out of it from the time that you wasted in learning the course, for the money that you paid in learning the course as well. Because what I've realized is that most people will take courses and they never apply. The third one that I have here is that start with pre-order if you have low capital. I have a full video on how to start pre-order businesses on this channel, so you can get access to them and know how you can have a very successful pre-order business. So even after having this knowledge and you want to apply it, but you don't have the amounts or the required capital to start the business, you can simply go into pre-order. Let me explain this. Pre-order simply means that people would pay for the items before you order for them. Now you let them know that these items are going to take 40 to 50 days by using sea shipment and air shipment. Some are in 3 days and some are in a week and two. Now you let these people know. The reason why these people would wait patiently for all these days for their items to arrive is simply because the items that you're going to give to them, it's very cheap compared to the one on the market. Even when you add the shipping fee and the rest to it, it's still going to be cheap. So in this case, people would wait patiently for their items to keep that longer so that it can arrive for them to have it. The fourth one that I have here on my list is that when you go into mini importation business, you can order at wholesale prices. So I started out small with pre-order business, and now I can order a set of a cartons of blenders and I sell them. So a cartons of one blender is 47 yuan. When I change it to my currency using the paying agent rate, you will get about 120 cedis. And in this case, on the market, they are selling this blender for 800 Ghana cedis. So when you buy them at wholesale price, you can add a profit of about 200 cedis to 300 cedis for one blender. And that's how profitable mini importation business is. So you need to go into mini importation business, because with mini importation business, you are going to get a lot of goodies. Now, if you get this knowledge, you practice them, and you are doing business, there is one thing that you need to do as well. You need to teach others the business so that you don't forget it. After the challenges I go through that I shared on the channel, I started mini importation business again, and I found it that if I teach people, I'm going to have this knowledge, that I'm not going to lose this knowledge. So first training I had with people was about 20 people that they paid me for me to teach them mini importation. And it's really helped me, because day in, day out, they would come to me, because I'm their mentor for 3 months. They will come to me and ask me that, Madam Ghaneva, this is the challenging that I'm having, and I would like you to help me. And whenever I help them, it helped me to always remind myself with the knowledge that I have, and I don't lose them, I don't forget about them. So whenever you go into mini importation, you can also turn into a lot of profit as well. Now, the next one that I have here, that's my sixth point, is you build experience over time. The more you do it, the more legendary you become. Just like we have other influencers around the world. They didn't start as that huge influencer, but they started out small, and they are going out big right now. So what I want to tell you is that start mini importation business. Think that when you start out, it's going to be luxurious and you are going to earn a lot of profit. You should know that with experience, you are going to improve on your business. Just like now, when I got a heartbreak from what one of my customer did to me, you can see it. You can see this heartbreak in the challenges I had when I started mini importation. The heartbreak that I got from this customer. Now I've strategized and I've started again, and I'm going pretty well. I just had some orders from my customers that is still being shipped. So if you want to join my pre-order group, you can join it by clicking the link in the description box or in the comment section. Now this is how you can start mini importation business, and I know you've learned a lot of things from this video. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video as well to support me. Thank you for doing that. And a gentle reminder to you that I have a course that teaches you everything about mini importation, verified and trusted. This is not my first time that I'm teaching mini importation. Actually, this is the third time. So do all to click the link in the description box, and at a very considerable price, yeah, you can join us while I teach mini importation. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know where you are watching me from in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Please do well to stay very focused. Ghaneva Edge, deep inside real success. Bye.